The difference between a full and a mini facelift, unfortunately, a lot of the variances are more marketing than fact, in my opinion. But let me go through different styles of facelifting that are out there and what I would recommend for you. There are styles of facelifting where essentially the skin is just pulled out. Sometimes there's muscle work done, sometimes it's not done. And people consider these mini or shorter flap lifts. Again, they're not always less invasive depending on what techniques are used. And again, depending on the style of lift that's done, sometimes the results are not optimal. Full facelifts usually envelop some type of neck procedure that's done with it. That's how people tend to define it. But again, historically, the terminologies have changed. And again, some of those procedures may be less invasive than some of the mini lifts that people market. In short, what I recommend in a case like this, if you're interested in a facelift, is to get a face and neck lift of a high quality and not worry about whether it's full or mini, but make sure you get sort of the type of facelift that's going to last. In our practice, we're very committed to a certain style of facelifting. It's called the Barton style, where the angle of the pull is very important, so it looks very natural. We spend a lot of time working on the neck. We use lasers, we use very high-grade sutures, but we do it in a way that the results have the ability to have longevity. But again, the terminologies vary, but just going straight into the categorization of a mini or a full facelift may not serve you best, because again, there are different styles of facelifting, and sometimes the minis are actually more invasive than the fulls and vice versa. So I think again, the most important thing is to understand what's being done and consult with your surgeon about what the long-term results will be based on the techniques that they're employing. Hope this helps.